this little tutorial how to install on macOS the Gunbot application. Okay, first of all, we go to gunbot.com/downloads. Then we click in download for macOS. Okay, after it's done, we go to the arrow icon. Okay, Ganti macOS zip. We click in the spotlight. Then we go to the Ganti macOS.zip file. We double click. It will create a new folder with uncompressing the files. Then we drag and drop to the desktop or documents. That's up to you. Okay. Now we have a new folder in the desktop that it's called Ganti underscore macOS. We click Spotlight Terminal. Okay. It will open the terminal. Now, first of all, we need to whitelist the application. So let's say the computer is not telling us this is not an authorized application. Okay, so we type xattr minus d minus r com dot apple dot quarantine. Okay, notice it's reverse than a normal domain, so it's com dot apple dot quarantine. Okay, then we drag and drop the Ganti macOS from the desktop to the terminal, and now we just click enter. If everything is fine, it's not showing you any, let's say, any message. It just will show the next prompt. Then we type cd, that means change directory, Ganti macOS. Again, we do the same operation to drag and drop the to the terminal. Now we can type chmod plus x Ganti macOS. Okay, and we just launch the executable with dot slash Ganti macOS. It will take a while because it's creating new files inside your computer, like the Gumball logs and other files. Okay. And after this is done, we just will show you that big in file to load bindings. This is because this specific library it's compiled using purge.js, so there's no issue at all. It's just working normally. Okay, and then we create and deploy a web server, okay, on port 301. Now we go to our Safari. Okay, we open localhost 3001. We set a password. Okay, and after that, we will show you our new wizard installation that you enter your order number here and follow up instructions, just clicking next. Really easy and straightforward to follow. Thanks for watching this little guide how to install on Mac.